The Logitech G515 Rapid TKL comes with analog switches, which allows customization of the actuation and deactivation points while pressing the keys. So let's take a look at how to customize these features in G HUB. In G HUB, first select a key to modify its actuation point. Ranging from 0.1mm to 2.5mm, you can move the slider in the G HUB menu to increase or decrease the distance. And here's a quick tip. For actions that require quick response movements, a shorter actuation point will provide accurate inputs. But for keys that are used less frequently or to avoid accidental presses, a longer actuation point would be ideal. First, enable the feature in G HUB. Then select a key to configure Rapid Trigger. Ranging from 0.1mm, you can move the slider in the G HUB menu to increase or decrease the distance. Lesser the distance, quicker the keys get reset upon releasing it. Once adjusted, the selected key displays in the details in G HUB. Select the base layer assignments and ensure Rapid Trigger is disabled. Click on Remap Multi-Action. You will notice two distinct bars which can be dragged to the desired distance of actuation. The modifiers and the key of assignment can also be set in the same menu. Now, the same key can execute an assignment at the first actuation point, and another assignment while the second actuation point is reached. Use the Test Your Binding space to test your assignments. If you have any questions or for more information, please feel free to reach out to us at our support site linked in the description. Thank you for joining, and I'll see you next time.